Welcome back, everyone. How are we all doing today? This is gold. Let's get right into it. So, first off, on gold, we notice a very clear and decisive range since this initial all-time high, all right, before we had this new all-time high. Okay, that should be around May. Okay, the 16th or the 15th of May, right here. That's when we had this new all-time high. But this was our previous all-time high. It was in April. We had this all-time high, something around the 8th or the 7th of April when we saw this all-time high right here. But that's not the deal of the day. All-time high or not, we are currently ranging. The market is currently ranging, as you can see, on a bigger level, because this is 8 hour bands. This is more like the daily range, okay, daily consolidation range, okay, or daily consolidation stage or state. Okay. So anyhow you want to put it, okay, it doesn't matter. The market is consolidating and that's what it is. Okay, so what is the plan? The plan is still to look for buy, because what do? You buy from support. All right, the market is currently at support level, and you can see it at resistance. It bounced back, bounced to the downside, and we've not really seen any good bounce to the upside since it retested this support right here, which is giving some people some idea that the market might be ready to fall. All right, but it might fall. It could fall or not. But right now, the market is not on the ground. It's still at the top. So we have to also focus on where the market is currently before we start chipping in our own idea, or before we start selling into our own idea or buying into our own idea. All right. My bias is still to look for buy opportunity. And why is that? I think it's quite obvious, because number one, the market is quite bullish, as you can see on the weekly band right there. Okay, the market is still very much bullish. Okay, it is going up and it is still going up, right? It might still be going up. Well, the last week candle was quite indecisive. It's been a very long time since we saw a doji for a weekly candle, for a weekly band or a weekly candle. Okay, a weekly candle doji on for gold. It's been a very long time. Aside this, okay, we saw this, and then I think it's not been a very long time, anyways. But you've seen these. Okay, it's been quite a while. It's been quite a while, and it's quite decent. All right, it's quite decent. I hope this won't end up being a doji as well this week. But today is Tuesday, so we still have like 3, 4 more days to see how the market is gonna run. All right, so all hope are not lost yet. Okay, the best is just to wait to see how this would go eventually. Okay, so that's plan number one. The second plan is to see if we can get to a close above the previous high of last week candle. If there's a close above it, even if it's just a 1 day candlestick that close above the last week high, then I might be looking to buy. I was actually buying before I closed it yesterday. All right, I've been buying for like 2 weeks, give or take, but I closed the trade yesterday because it wasn't really giving me that kind of vibe. It's been ranging down there for like 2 weeks, yeah, for like 2 weeks in there. So we're gonna measure it and see how it goes. Okay, actually started ranging since last week, so we're about somewhere around there. Yes, it's been ranging for like 8 days now. Today with last week, so and I don't really like it. I'm not falling for that. I don't even fancy it. So I decided to just cut myself off that trade, all right, and properly wait for another setup for myself. Okay, which is gonna be a close above this last week high that was explained earlier. Okay, if I said get a close above this high, maybe something like this, a breakout, a pullback. All right, might take the rest of this week though, and then the continuation. Well, that will be a much better buy for me. Okay, I don't want to go like, oh, I miss out on this, I should have kept the trade. It doesn't matter. I don't want to take all the peeps. I just want to take a decent one that is worthy of my trade, that is worthy of an entry. Basically, I don't really need everything. I just want to take something small and make the best out of it, and then I'm gone. All right, so that is the plan on gold. There's a possibility of it falling down as well. I'm not shying away from that, but it has to break below this April to June support. Okay, this level has to be successfully broken. There is no other way around it. If this level is not broken, if that support is not broken, it is moderately strong. Okay, you can see how many times it's been retested. Okay, it's moderately strong. So if that level is not broken, then we should say bye bye to shorting gold right now. Okay, we just have to look. We have to focus on the bullish part of it, which has been bullish for the past, you know, 8, 6, 7 months now. All right, so let's just take a chill, all right, and see how we can make the best out of this trade right now with what we can see currently up in our face. All right, so that is my plan on gold. I'm gonna wait, I'm gonna chill, I'm gonna see if I can take this buy probably this week or next week. And this week is the week for NFP, so we might get to see that buy or probably a push to the downside to retest this level. Okay, but I'm not sure NFP have the enough strength to push the market all the way down to this level. It has to be like this, okay, or it has to go like this, all right, or maybe this. Okay, so if you can see a candle, a move like this, or move like this, or a move like this before Friday, then, or maybe on Friday, then probably we're gonna get a fall, the gold falling out of the support. If not, probably we're gonna get it falling out of resistance. Okay, breaking out of resistance. So we just have to wait for this to see how this all play out. And if it actually play out the way we want it to, it's gonna make a ton loads of sense. And that is something I would really, really be happy to see and watch happen. Okay. And I'm gonna trade it as well. Alright. So thank you guys. I'm gonna catch you later this week. Alright. Have a nice day. Bye bye.